been for a while. I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Allie, and today we're gonna do an ultimate clean with me. I'm gonna be cleaning different parts of my house. But first I wanna share with you the coolest machine over there. It is called the Almond Cow. This video is also sponsored by Almond Cow, but I'm gonna walk you through how to make nut milk at home. It's super easy. And then I'm gonna share with you a really simple granola recipe using the pulp from our nut milk. Almond Cow makes the process of making plant-based milks at home super simple and easy. There is zero straining involved and it takes less than a minute to make. Almond Cow is also zero waste, so you never need to use a filter when making your plant-based milks at home. Making your own plant-based or nut milks at home is so much better for you. There are zero additives, fillers, gums, any kind of questionable ingredients. It's just water and then the ingredients of your choice. Believe it or not, making your own milk at home is actually super budget friendly. At the grocery store, you would pay around $3.69 for a 64-ounce carton of milk. But if you're gonna make it at home, you can make 40 ounces for just 55 cents. Every Almond Cow prevents at least 500 plastic cartons from going into landfills or the ocean. It's also a great opportunity for you to get creative in the kitchen. You can make any kind of nut milk or seed milk that you can possibly imagine, but it does not stop there. You could also make lemonades, lattes, and then you can use the leftover pulp to make a nutrient-dense, zero-waste treat. I'm gonna show you how I use the pulp to make granola, but you could also turn the pulp into baked goods, smoothies, or you can use the pulp to make a pulp meal bowl, and you can add all kinds of different toppings. Lastly, using your Almond Cow is super convenient. There's no more having to go to the grocery store to pick up your milk. You likely have all of the ingredients on hand that you need, and there's zero mess, zero straining, and zero hassle. I also have a $15 coupon code for you guys, so you can go ahead and click the link in the description box below to get your $15 coupon code. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that. I am giving away a whole Almond Cow starter kit, and you definitely want to enter to win one of those. This is everything you're gonna get that comes in the starter kit, so you have everything you need to get started. You of course get your Almond Cow, and then you're also gonna get bags of whole grain oats, shredded coconut, almonds, and then you get this super cute jar to store your milk in, as well as a brush to clean your jug. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is add in my nuts. And there is a little 1/2 cup and a 1 cup line to indicate how full to fill your basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up to the 1 cup line. I'm making almond milk today, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the filter basket with my almonds up to the 1 cup line. And then place the top onto the filter basket, tilt it sideways to make room for the blades, and then gently twist to secure. Next, add your water, and I'm adding filtered water up to the max line. Then place the top onto the base, attach the power cord, and then press the almond. Your Almond Cow will go through 3 cycles, and once the green light turns a solid green, that's when you know it's done. I remove the top and place the filter basket into this collector cup to catch any draining milk. Now my milk is complete and I am just pouring it into this Almond Cow jug, placing the lid on it, and I'll store it in the fridge. Now I'm gonna make my granola, and I'm adding to a bowl 2 cups of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and then I'm gonna add my almond pulp. It's nutritious, but also allows me not to waste a single thing. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and some maple syrup. Don't be shy with the maple syrup. Add a little bit more than the recipe calls for. 1/4 of melted coconut oil, 1/4 a cup of nut butter. I'm using almond butter. And then give everything a good mix. Next, turn your granola out onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet and spread it out. Place it in a 350-degree oven and bake for about 20 minutes. And that is it. Once it is cooled, it will become nice and crunchy. I like to eat my granola in a bowl with my almond milk as well as some fresh fruit toppings. Usually I do bananas or strawberries, but you can get creative here. I'm gonna clean the laundry room out. I have actually never done that since we've lived here and it's been over a year. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some deep cleaning. These all need to be wiped down really well. You can see there's like stuck on detergent and stuff. So I'm gonna give this a good deep clean as well as organize up here. And then you can see back there, there's some Mrs. Meyer's products. I do not use those anymore. I've had them for a long time and it is time to get them out of here. The first thing I'm doing is removing everything from the laundry room. That way I can go ahead and clean every single nook and cranny without anything being in my way. I'm also going to be going through all of this stuff and getting rid of anything that I don't need or want anymore. I've never decorated this laundry room because we are renting this townhouse and I didn't know how long we were going to be staying here. I am kind of regretting not decorating it in the early days, and now at this point we're looking to buy our first house, so I don't really see a point in doing it, but I can't wait to decorate the laundry room in whatever house we end up buying, hopefully pretty soon. These machines get so dusty and I never stay on top of them. This is one of the most satisfying things that I did, was just wiping down the washer and dryer. And now I'm going along the baseboards and wiping down those as well. These were caked on with lint and dust, and so this was also pretty satisfying to clean up. This is behind the washer and dryer. I had no idea this was lurking behind these machines, but once I kind of took a peek back there, I knew I had to clean them out. So I'm just pulling out the washer first, just a little bit, so I can squeeze back behind there, and I'm vacuuming everything up first. Now that everything is wiped down and vacuumed up, I'm gonna come out and go through these baskets and get rid of anything that I just don't need or don't want. Now I'm putting everything back, and I'm just gonna kind of play with it and make it as pleasing to the eye as I can without decorating or buying anything. These are all things that I already had on hand. And so yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna kind of make it look as pleasing to the eye as possible. That is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the recipe I shared and this little bit of cleaning motivation. If you like this video, definitely let me know. Also, make sure you're subscribed if you haven't done that already. We have some really exciting stuff coming up and you don't want to miss that. You can follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch, and you definitely want to do that so that you can enter the giveaway for the Almond Cow starter kit. And don't forget that you can get $15 off by clicking the link in the description box below and using my code. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.